Hey everyone, this is Felicia from FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a drawing for a giveaway I had on my last craft haul video. So all you had to do was write the word B in your comment below the video and you're entered into the drawing. So what I'm giving away is this really cute scrapbook.com a little stamp, and it says, "Hope you have a rawsome day." This deco foil toner card mix kit from iCraft. These coloristic colored pencil by Spectrum Noir. And then I'm adding in this little cute layered bow set that I've got off of Amazon. And I think it's the KS Craft one, the flower and bow. And then this cute, this is the KS Craft item. I'm not sure who this is. This doesn't say. But this is the KS Craft item, and this is a memory decks die set. I don't know why I ordered this. I have the same one. So I'm throwing that in there for the giveaway. So we have 7 people that indicated B in their comment. So we have Gail Banks Creates, that's Gail. Gina Loves to Craft, who's Gina. Shabby Pink House is Christine. Mo's Creation, or Mo Create, and that's Melissa. Roseanne's Happy Crafting Creations, and that's Roseanne. Scrap Passion, who's Betty, and Crafty Bean, who's Tina, all here on YouTube. So thank you all for commenting and joining in the fun. So 7 people, so your chances are pretty high. Let's see who wins. And there goes the wheel. And it stops on number 3. And that's Christine with Shabby Pink House. Congratulations, Christine. If you would please email me at fphandmade here at gmail.com. Sorry, fphandmade@gmail.com, and give me your address, and I'll get your goodies out to you as soon as possible. I want to thank you guys for watching my video and playing along. Also, for those who didn't indicate they wanted to be in the drawing, that's fine too. I'm very excited right now because I have 982 subscribers. So I am like 18 away from 1,000 subscribers, which just kind of blows my mind. So if you're interested in my channel, like what you see, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That just helps me along the way, as you know. But to all my subscribers that have been around for a while and new, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I know I'm one of those little channels out there, and I don't post videos on a regular schedule, and so I always appreciate anyone taking time out of their day to join me in this wonderful crafty world that we have created here on YouTube. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.